This is not right though, huh? You took the whole credit. Why, brother? Didn't I tell you that he would cheat? That's what he always does. He always cheats. He did not even mention the efforts you and I put into this.
Right. I agree. This is wrong, Arjun. Everyone should get their share of the credit.
Why? I will take the credit first. Who came up with the idea? Who did? I did. Huh? I did. I admit I wouldn't have been able to execute it without these two. So thank you.
Hey, hello. Enough about the plan. Get to the point. Tell Dia what Deepika and I did. Who did all this? Who? Get to the point. I mean, thinking is not a big deal. Who planned this? Tell me. Look, Dia, what you see here, everything, it's all my, Kush Agarwal's idea. And the shower of flowers was Deepika's idea.
That's right. And the most special part of your birthday is this cake. This cake is made by Arjun. You like chocolate cake, don't you?
Seriously, he troubled my baker friend for 3 hours.
Arjun, did you make this cake?
Yeah, I also learned how to make snacks, so I thought I could learn this too. So a homemade cake is always the best.
Happy birthday, Dia. May the smile on your face grow with every passing day.
Dia, happy birthday. I hope you always be happy with this grumpy man.
I'm grumpy. What kind of a brother are you?
Look, I'm speaking the truth, okay? She knows how you are. She knows it.
Come on now, no more fighting. Let's cut the cake.
Yes, please, dear.
Hey, cut it. Cut the cake quickly so that we take our slices and leave. The movie hasn't ended yet.
Movie?
Well, it was like a movie. We interrupted it. There is more to come. Climax and everything, you know?
Dia, just don't listen to him, okay? He really doesn't know when to stop. At times I feel like he's my younger brother, not elder brother. Anyway, Dia, please cut the cake.
Arjun, let others come. Mom, Dad, Love, Niharika. Where are they?
Dia, please, don't take Niharika's name and spoil the mood, please.
Dia, Love is not at home. He may be at a meeting.
Sure. Isn't the younger Mr. Agarwal working way too much at night these days?
Yeah, and Mom, Dad, and Grandma aren't used to staying up so late. Perhaps they are asleep.
How could I sleep? This is my daughter's first birthday in this house. We must celebrate it. Happy birthday, my dear.
Thank you, Mom.
And what is this? You all planned this in my house and I knew nothing about it. You guys may have thought that you are young, so only you can enjoy stuff like this. I'm just a mother, I'm old. I wouldn't know how to enjoy such celebrations, right? If you had told me, I could have helped too.
It's all right, Mom. We will plan Arjun's birthday together.
Promise?
Promise.
Dia, please cut the cake now.
Come on. Enough of talking. Let's cut the cake.
Happy birthday to
say that your younger son has grown up. This is the first time in his life that he planned a surprise birthday party for someone other than you. Till now, he only put in so much efforts on your birthdays.
Sorry, sir. I couldn't do the job last night. I did try, sir. But the people in this family were awake even at midnight. It was very risky.
Okay. Try again tonight. But if the job isn't done, I hope you remember what I had said.
No, sir. That won't be necessary. I'll do it today for sure. And today is Dia's birthday. Everyone in the family must be busy, especially Arjun. I'll do the job as soon as I get the chance.
You only have 3 to 4 days. As soon as you do your part, there will be a raid at the Agarwal mansion. And this has to happen before the press conference. I don't have much time, so hurry up. And be careful. If anyone catches you with drugs, you know what would happen. You would go to jail instead of Arjun. I don't believe this. Karan Mathur has to depend on such people now. Tell me, did you find out where Arjun is holding those people?
No, sir. Arjun has sent an invitation to the media people as well. The conference is on Thursday.
When destiny doesn't favor you, proofs don't work too. Your destiny is under my control, Arjun.
Step aside, step aside. I don't need anyone's help.
You should distribute the work. Otherwise, you would get tired.
Really? You will teach me? A mother never gets tired of working for her children.
All right.
And then today is my daughter's birthday. I will cook with my own hands.
She had to fall sick. If she does all the work by herself, then this will happen.
Please make her understand, ma'am.
Oh, I told you I don't need anyone's help. Go and do what you are asked to do.
All right.
I spoke to Mrs. Mukherjee. She told me everything. She told me that Dia's favorite sweet dish is pudding. So I will make the pudding first. If you want to see me make it, then you could stand here and watch. But no one will disturb me. When the food is ready, you can bring Dia. Yes, don't tell Arjun anything. Otherwise, he won't let me do anything by myself. But there is no point in not telling him either. The aroma of the food will draw him to the kitchen. I know him.
Ma'am, Arjun is not in his room. He went out a while ago. He was in a rush.
Mom! What have you done, Mom? You worry about Arjun way too much. You know him that he never informs before going anywhere. You burnt your hand unnecessarily.
Hello, everyone. Sir, please sit down. Thank you. Radhu uncle, how are you?
I am fine, my dear.
Okay. So, first of all, I want to thank all of you for supporting me. You all agreed to take such a huge risk. And I know that Karan will make every possible effort to find you all. But I promise you that he will have to go through me before he finds you all. What he did to Dr. Singh, I won't let him do the same to you. It's only a matter of a few more days. Only a few days. And don't worry, this is a safe place. After this, we will directly go to the press conference. We will expose Karan in front of the media. When the case reopens, there'll be another inquiry. And along with the drug case, the world will know about Karan's other crimes too.
You addict! He has been banned for life for consuming drugs.
And on that day, the successful life that Karan has built based on deception will shatter like a house of cards. But as I said, you all need not to worry at all. None of you will be punished for a statement you gave 5 years ago. I promise you that. All you have to do on that day is just speak the truth. And yes, there is one more thing. And if any of you wants to leave this place now, then they're free to go. Whether you want to help me, to be or not be with me, is completely on you. I don't want to force you, and I don't want to pressurize any of you.
Look, my dear, none of us wishes to leave here. Until now, we had been wondering if we would ever get a chance to repent for our sin we committed 5 years ago or not. But today we have a chance to correct our mistake. We all are with you. Yes, we are! We all are with you! We all want to see our favorite player on the field now. All of us. Yes, earlier we were scared, but not anymore.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And I have one more request. And if any of you come to know anything about Anjali Agarwal, please inform me. I wonder who Anjali Agarwal is.
This is Bengali food? This Begun Bhaja? Aloo Posto? Who made all these dishes? And this payesh? That's my favorite. Who made all this?
Who else could it be? Your mother-in-law made it. Especially for you. She's been working hard in the kitchen. She did not let anybody help. You're very lucky, Dia. Nor my mother-in-law ever cooked for me. Neither did I ever cooked for my daughter-in-law. That's about the olden times. In this new age, you have to come into this house as a daughter. So your mother-in-law has to be your mother, right?
Mom, thank you so much. You know what? Every year on my birthday, Mom used to cook these dishes. I miss my mom a lot today.
Well, consider that there is your mother's love added to this food. That's because I made these dishes with her help. She taught me to cook these dishes. And yes, you don't have to thank me. I haven't done anything great. Now sit down and have your meal. And you must eat to your heart's content. And yes, make sure you eat the pudding.
Thank God Arjun is not here. Otherwise, he wouldn't let me eat peacefully. He would talk about calories.
Where did Arjun go? Did he tell you where he was going?
Yes, Mom. The conference is in 7 days. So, he has gone out to do some work.
None of us has ever met Anjali Agarwal. And never have we ever heard about her.
Son Arjun, this woman's surname is Agarwal. Perhaps she's one of your relatives? At times, the person we are looking for is right in front of our eyes. Why don't you ask your mother about it?
Mom, this is very tasty. Arjun is right. There is magic in your hands. No one can say that Mom made this food for the first time. Thank you, Mom. By making these dishes, you have given me the best gift in the world.
Well, your gift is still pending.
What do you mean?
I mean, we have organized a small party in the evening. We have invited a few special people.
A party? Grandma, we won't have a party right now.
We won't? Why do you say that?
I mean, we will have a party in this house only when Arjun is acquitted of the drug charges. And that is going to happen soon. We just have to wait until Thursday.
Yes, Uncle Radha. You're right. I will ask Mom today itself. Maybe it's one of her relatives. But I don't understand one thing. If she's a relative of mine, then what would she have gained from testifying against me?
Very soon, Arjun will be proven innocent. People who had falsely testified against Arjun will have to tell the truth in front of the media.
You have to say it, Madhuri. We don't have any other option. You are the only one that Arjun trusts. And if this trust breaks, he'll begin to hate you just like he hates me.
Mom?
Madhuri?
Mom? Mom? What happened to you, Mom? Careful, Mom. Get a grip on yourself. This is the right opportunity. Everyone is busy. Even Arjun isn't at home. I will do my job quickly.
Hey, my dear, why did you get up? Finish your food. I'm absolutely fine.
You've been in the kitchen since morning. I'm sure you're tired. Deepika dear, listen, take Madhuri to her room.
That's not necessary, Mother. I'll go on my own.
Mom, we all listen to you, don't we? Sometimes you must listen to us. Please, let Deepika go with you.
Come on, Mom. Parvati? Why do you look so scared? And what were you doing in Arjun's room? I am asking you something. What's the matter? I came to clean the room. It was dirty, so I thought I should clean it, and I broke a light while cleaning. That's why I got scared. I thought you would scold me.
All right. But from now on, ask us before you do anything. Go on now. You don't need to remove the lights right now.
What are you doing, my dear?
I'm measuring your blood pressure. You don't seem well since a few days.
My dear, nothing has happened to me.
Mom!
I'm absolutely fine.
No, Mom. I won't listen to you now. Sometimes you feel dizzy. Sometimes you get restless. Mom, you are not fine. Your blood pressure is high. You should get some rest.
First, tell me how the food was. Especially the pudding.
As if you don't know that there is magic in your hands. It was very tasty. You know what? If I told my mom that you made those dishes better than she does, then I'm sure she will get a little insecure. Honestly, Mom, you cook delicious food.
I think we should call a doctor for Mom. Right?
Yes, Niharika, you are right. Deepika, look at this. Her blood pressure is very high. Did I not tell you that something wrong is with her health?
She had to fall sick. If she does all the work by herself, then this will happen.
Mom, I have been noticing you since a few days. That you look worried. Look, if there is something that is bothering you, please tell us.
Mom! Mom! Mom, Grandma told me you're not well.
No, my dear. I'm growing old. At my age, it's normal to have high or low blood pressure. I'm absolutely fine. You need not to worry. You people have spoiled me by worrying about me so much. Come on, dear. Come here and sit with me. Come. Where did you go so early in the morning?
I had some business to attend to. By the way, Mom, I need to ask you something. But right now you aren't well. So I'll just do one thing. I'll come back later.
No, my dear. Please ask. What do you have to ask?
All right, Mom. Mom, do you know someone named Anjali Agarwal?